and today I am quite excited because in 2 days it is going to be my birthday, so it means my birthday's on Wednesday. So hopefully you'll give me lots of subscribes and likes, stuff like that. And today, and in return for all of that, I'm going to read you a book called Monkey Puzzle by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. I've lost my mum. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. No, that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hump. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees, and anyway, her tail coils round trees. She coils round trees, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, that's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs, and anyway, my mum has got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is, then come this way. No, that's a spider. Mum isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit and swallow a fly, and she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees, you should have said. Your mummy's hiding above your head. No, that's a parrot. Mum's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and squeak. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings, and anyway, my mum leaps and swings. I've got it. She leaps about. She's just round the corner without a doubt. No, that's a frog. Butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy, oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time, off we go. No, that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you so. She's got no wings at all, and anyway, she's not really nearly so small. Your mum's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No, that's the elephant again. Butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course, I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't, you see. None of my babies look like me. So she's like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come. I think it's time to take you home to Mum. Thank you for listening to my story, and just maybe, Next time we might read that book called For Gruffalo's Child. So, bye for now. I'll see you maybe next time.